The Snuggle Hitch is a great alternative to the clove hitch and other different forms of hitching knots. It holds pull in any direction extremely well. It's a little more difficult to tie. It involves a couple more wraps and a little more cordage, but in my opinion is definitely superior to other ones and works very well. So let's take a look at how to tie that. Again, we're going to start off by pretty much tying a clove hitch. So from left to right, leaving ourselves enough room to work. We're going to come from the left, come back around on top of itself, back behind. Now this time we're going to go on top of the standing end and then back under itself. Then we're going to go back around again. And now this time we're going to come up under the standing end. And so now what happens is you have multiple crossing points, more than the clove hitch, and also your standing end and what you have your line attached to is actually pulling down over the very tag end, so it's always locking onto itself very well. So once you tighten that up, got that a little bit exaggerated for y'all. Once you tighten that up, that works out extremely well. Holds pull in any direction. Definitely does not come undone. So this is really good for a tarp setup if you have to attach it to a tree or to a branch or something like that. Works great for hanging gear. Very useful knot. Let's take a look at that again. Starting out like the clove hitch and leaving ourselves plenty of line to work with. From left to right, I'm going to go behind the object, cross over it, go behind it again. I'm going to go on top of the standing end and then back under itself. Back around the object again, and then back under the standing end. As you can see, that just tightens and locks down on itself. Very nice. Sometimes, if it's really windy out or something, I'll actually go ahead and take the rest of my tag end and just go back under one more time. And that gives an extremely secure, really good knot, even when there's force applied in one direction. I didn't even tie this very tight on here. You can see it still holds really well. Works really well on slippery objects too, like on a straight wooden dowel or an actual round metal post or something. So that is the Snuggle Hitch. Great knot.